guys, how's it going? Welcome to the second episode after the rebrand. I'm that car guy, Tim, because there's so many other guys around here named that car guy, Tim. Anyways, we're gonna have an exciting program today. It's gonna be a little bit of a shorter one, but we're heading off to Westlock for the 4th annual Precision Show and Shine. We're bringing the truck, and it's also the first year for a brand new category for that show, First Gen Dodge. I hear CJ from First Gen Farms is bringing the crew out. We're gonna have some fun, meet some awesome people. It's gonna be a blast. Stay tuned.
Chevy
37 Chevy
pickup. Well, it's a ton and a half. It's chopped 3 inches, it's channeled 3 inches, and sectioned 3 inches. It's got airbags on it, 350 motor, 350 tranny. It weighs 2,500 pounds because it's aluminum in the back. Gene Winfield autographed it. He's K&M Customs out of Modesto, California. I'm a student of his, so I've been taking welding, hammer welding classes and TIG welding classes from Gene. So I did all the work on the truck myself.
Today we brought out our 1955 second series pickup truck, and it's mostly stock little truck, a few little modifications here and there to make it roadworthy. Other than that, it's pretty stock there, Tim. This is a driver quality truck. It's not a trailer queen by any means. It is definitely roadworthy, and it drives quite comfortably at highway speeds. Not a lot of modifications again, just upgraded rubber, upgraded transmission, rear-ended stuff to make it safe for the highway, and pass the mechanical inspections, of course, and then a few little odds and ends inside, wiring and whatnot, to make it more stable and less of a little bit of a fire hazard. Some of these old trucks are bad for that, but it's quite nice.
I gotta say, I had an absolute blast at the show. Had a great time meeting everybody. Thanks to Aerith for letting me MC. I had a blast. That was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed too. Next time, we're gonna review the 2017 Subaru Impreza Touring. Yeah, that's my car. We're gonna give it the honest to gosh review. How does it feel to drive? It's gonna be the first review. We're gonna get a whole bunch more reviews as the channel progresses, as it grows. And speaking of growing, if you want to help the channel out, visit Patreon, patreon.com/thatcarguytim. There's going to be a whole list of ways that you can help support the channel financially. There's perks. I think the perks are going to be amazing. You're going to love them. Anyways, the more that you guys pledge, the better this channel is going to be. Only with your help though, because it is expensive to run a YouTube channel that's car featured, that's got a restoration in progress. We got big news for the GMC coming up next episode as well. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, visit Patreon, give this thing a like, leave a comment. What do you think of the show? Let me know and I'll pass it on to the guys that actually put on the show. Have fun. Get her done.